Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add LUTs to Photomator. So let's get straight into it. First thing what you need to do, open up the image and then head over here to the edit, just like that. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see right here LUT. So if you click on it, you will see the options here. So we have cinematic, color blindness, duotone, grayscale, conversation, photo filter. Now, if you have your own LUT, you can add it here. You see it at the right side, circled with 3 dots in it. So if you click on it, you will see here, choose LUT or add LUTs from folders. It opens up the same thing. So I suggest you that you save these LUTs here in the iCloud drive, that you have fast access to it. When you find it, just simply select it and open, and you will have it here inside of this one. And what you need to do then is just select one of them and it will be applied to your photo. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.